Today's Clear Impact Biohack is going to be a solution in relation to your sleep that doesn't cost any time, energy, or money. Here we go. My name is Adam Hart. This is Jason Masick. He is our building biology consultant. We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind, increase cognitive and physical energy, and live with more vitality. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks. Now, Jason, we're here to talk about sleep today. What is the big issue around sleep that most of us aren't even noticing?
Air quality.
Right.
Yeah, absolutely. Get that air moving for sure.
Yeah. Well, what's the biological impact in relation to air? What are we dealing with?
Well, in a closed bedroom, you are going to lose oxygen pretty quick. We breathe out a lot of CO2. It fills up our room, going to make us fatigued. It's going to affect our cells, going to affect our brain, and we want to wake up early in the morning fresh.
Yeah, love it. So we have to start to mitigate the impact of that buildup of CO2. What are what is the main solution, the biohack that we want to give our community today to help that?
Yeah, super easy. If you got a window in your bedroom, open it up. Just the tiniest little crack will create a big difference in your oxygen level and remove some carbon dioxide. Yeah. Another bonus to that is your temperature will drop in your bedroom, which is also really good to sleep.
Now, if you don't have that option, you don't have a window in your room, what's another option?
Big thing. Open up your bedroom door. Down the hall, you probably got a bathroom. Fire on that bathroom fan. It is going to suck the air out. As the air is getting sucked out, other air is going to come back in, and you get some good air movement happening.
Simple as that. Just having your bathroom fan on.
Yeah, fire it on.
Right? Things that we don't normally think about, right? Okay, so now you have your 7-day challenge is to mitigate in relation to your sleep. Get the air quality going inside your bedroom. So the next 7 days, we want you to either crack open a window. If it's really cold, fine, just crack open a little bit. It's still going to help cycle that air through. Or turn on your fan in your bedroom, leave the door open, make sure you're cycling that CO2 out of your room so that you have a deeper quality of sleep. 7 days. And then when you're done, come on to the YouTube channel again. Let us know how this made you feel. If you have a loved one that you know is having issues with their sleep, share this with them because it's a powerful solution, easy to do, and has a very big impact. All right? So we are Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind, increase cognitive and physical energy, and
live life with more vitality.
Oh yeah!